Hello students, today we are going to start third chapter integers of 6th standard natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are natural numbers. They are also known as counting number. That natural number means that normal international number which you write 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. So these are natural number. We can call as counting number also. Now whole numbers, the set of natural number together with 0 is set of whole numbers. That means uh, set of natural number and 0 is added in it. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is whole number. Now in this negative numbers, the numbers less than 0 are called negative number. Means the number which is less than 0, that is called as negative number. Integers, what is integers now? Positive number, 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called integer. That means in integer positive numbers come, 0 come and negative numbers come. So that is called as integer. Now they have shown you integers on the number line. So this is your number line. In this they have shown you the integer. Here there is the positive numbers, that means it indicates plus sign, negative numbers which indicates negative sign, and in between 0 that indicates origin. Okay, so this is your number line of integers. You can write this in horizontal manner also and in vertical manner also. In vertical arrangement, so in this how you can see the origin is in center and the negative number will go downward direction, that means below, and positive number will go upward direction, that means above. Now we shift to problem set 4. Practice set 4. Classify the following numbers as positive numbers and negative numbers. Now in this they have given you the positive numbers and negative numbers. What you have to write? You have to draw a table. In that you have to write positive number and negative number. Now you have to search among this where is positive and where is negative number. Now you can see here minus 5. So this will comes in negative 5. Plus 4, this come in positive number. Minus 2, this will come in negative number 7. Now no sign is indicate over here. So that means what you have to understand, that no sign is there, that means it is having a plus sign. So that means it will be come in positive numbers. Now next is plus 26, that positive number. Minus 29, negative number. Minus 37, negative number. Now again no sign is there, that means we will indicate that is this is plus. So 19, positive number. Next is minus 25 in negative number, plus 8 in positive number, 5 positive number, minus 4 negative number, minus 12 negative number, and 27 that will come in positive number. So this how you have to solve this question number 1. Now we will see question number 2. Given below are the temperature in some cities. Write them using the proper sign. Place: Shimla, Leh, Delhi, Nagpur. In this they have given you temperature. That Shimla is having 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Leh is having 12 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Delhi 22 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. Nagpur 31 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. Now they have given you this. Now what you have to add in this table, you have to add temperature with proper sign. Now you have to write temperature with proper sign. Now see below, in previous only I told you below it indicates minus sign, so you have to write here minus 7 degrees Celsius. Be remember that when the below word come, you have to write minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now here again below is there 12 degrees Celsius, then that you will write minus 12 degrees Celsius. Here the word above is come. Now you know above, that is plus sign. So 22 degrees Celsius, plus 22 degrees Celsius. Here 31 degrees Celsius above, that means plus 31 degrees Celsius. So this how you have to complete your question number 2. Now we shift to question number 3. Write the following example using the proper sign. Now that means the example is given you and you have to write their proper sign. That means here this submarine is at a depth of 512 meter below the sea level. That means द सबमरीन जो है वो डेप्थ मतलब नीचे की तरफ है कितना मीटर, 512 मीटर बिलो द सी लेवल. नाउ how you have to write, see, the submarine is below means I told you over here only that indicate minus sign. So here minus 512 meter below from the sea level you have to write like this. Now same here, second, the height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in the Himalayas, is 8,848 meters from the sea level. Now here what you have to do, the height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in the Himalayas is, now highest peak of Himalaya is, you will what sign you will indicate, that height only, that shows you the plus sign, matlab means above. So what you will write, plus 8,848 meter from the sea level. This how you have to write. Now we will see third one. The kite is flying at the distance of 120 meters from the ground. Answer: the kite is flying at the distance of 120 plus 120 meter from the ground. Now you know kite is flying above the ground, so that means we will write plus. Now fourth, the tunnel is at the depth of 2 meters under the ground. That means the tunnel is at depth means inside, minus 2 meters from the surface of ground. So here we finish the problem set. In the next video I will show you practice set 5.